Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and I'm back with another Mint Mongoose unboxing. For those of you that have not seen my previous Mint Mongoose boxes and don't know how it works, a quick run through is you pay $12 a month plus shipping and handling for 3 pieces of jewelry. But if you use my code Katie in all capital letters, then you get it for $10 plus free shipping and handling. The jewelry is pretty customizable. You can choose whether you want silver or gold, or whether you want earrings or no earrings, and whether you want to receive watches or not receive watches. Every 3 months they do send out a surprise for you, just to say thank you for staying subscribed so long. And also there's normally a piece of sneaky candy in here, which I personally really enjoy. So without further ado, let me show you what they sent out this month. Okay, so everything comes in this little white foldable pouch with just a little stamp on the front. It's pretty cute. And you just have to pull this stamped ribbon off. And you can open your jewelry. Oops, my sneaky candy just fell on the floor. It's one of those little caramel candies. But anyways, let's look at the jewelry. So everything is wrapped in this tissue paper. It just has a little card that says thank you and asks you to share on Instagram. Next we have our jewelry. It's wrapped in this pretty little turquoise or mint green tissue paper. Yeah, just open it up. Ooh, first thing I see is a pair of earrings. There's always this card on here to remind you that if you're a member, then you get 20% off in their shops. Or if you spend $40 on items, then you receive your next box for free. So you can get a discount and receive your next box for free if you decide to go on a jewelry shopping spree. Free spree, haha. So the first thing that I see is this pair of earrings. They're so cute. They're gold and green. They're just this sparkly gold and green earring. The next thing that I see is just this matching necklace to the earrings. So it's just a green and gold square. The green has some sparkles in it. I really like this color. It's camo green or army green. And I just feel like it would go very well with a lot of colors. I really like this necklace. I really like where it hits me, the length it is with my shorter necklace. I just feel like it goes very well with layering. And last but not least, the next thing that I have is this red and gold necklace. I'm not sure that this is called jade, but I keep wanting to say it looks like a jade necklace. So I'm not sure if I'm right there. If I am, cool. If I'm not, sorry. But I don't feel like this necklace is just super cute. I would never just reach for this necklace by itself. However, after trying this necklace on, I do feel like it goes very well layering with the green necklace. And overall, I like them together. I just would never reach for the red one by itself where I would with the green one. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, if you would like to try Mint Mongoose, to use the code Katie in all capital letters to get your first box for $10 plus free shipping and handling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. If you have any videos that you would like to see, please comment them down below. And if you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. I upload every Monday at 5 o'clock, but you can hit the notification bell if you can't remember that. And I am also going to try to start putting a video up on Thursdays, however, no promises. Once again, if you want to see a video on Thursdays and you're just hoping I upload one, hit the notification bell so if I do, you know. Bye guys!